Aqara Hub. Aqara Hub is a smart wireless bridge that supports Apple HomeKit. Users can easily connect multiple Aqara accessories to the hub. This will enable you to have full control of smart switches, curtains, and plugs in your home. It will also enable leak monitoring, motion sensing, and break-in alarms. Ensure that your phone is connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Connect the hub to the power supply. Wait 30 seconds until the yellow light starts flashing rapidly. To ensure a stable connection between the hub and accessories, we recommend placing the hub at the center of all the accessories and at least 1 meter above the floor. To ensure the stability of the Wi-Fi connection, the hub should be kept 2 to 6 meters in a straight line away from the router.
Please open the Mi Home app. Press the plus to enter Add Device page and press the Household Security, select the Aqara Hub.
Scan the HomeKit code only for iOS users on the Quick Start Guide. Then add the hub to the corresponding room by following the instructions.
If the connection fails, please go to the Mi Home app Profile, Help and Feedback to search for a solution.
After Add Aqara Hub is completed,
you can check the accessory status in the Mi Home app or in the Apple Home app.
Just make sure that the iOS device you use to set up HomePod is signed in to iCloud with the Apple ID that you use to set up your HomeKit accessories in the Home app. HomePod automatically sets itself up as a home hub so you can control your HomeKit accessories remotely with the Home app and use automations.
Hey Siri. Turn on the light.
All set.
Hey Siri. Turn off the light.
Okay.
Please go to Settings, Your Name, iCloud. Sign in with your Apple ID. Check that iCloud keychain and Home are both turned on. Go to Settings, Home, and turn on Use this iPad as a home hub. Ensure your iOS device and Apple TV are connected to the same local network. On your iOS device or Mac, set up two-factor authentication for your Apple ID. Then go to iCloud and make sure that you have iCloud keychain turned on. On your Apple TV, go to Settings, Account, and ensure you have logged into iCloud and the Apple ID is the same as on your iOS device. After logging into iCloud, the Apple TV will automatically set itself as the Home Hub. Proceed to iCloud, check if your Home Hub is connected under HomeKit. If you do not see HomeKit, please restart your Apple TV and iOS device. Wait a few minutes, or proceed to iCloud on your Apple TV. Log out of iCloud, then log in again.